Today I'm going to show you how to make vanilla extract at home. Super easy to do. Let's get started. Down below in the description box you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts. We are going to need alcohol, 70 to 100 proof. In this case I am using an 80 proof vodka. Vodka is very commonly used for making vanilla extract. I just got this at my local grocery store. And then we need vanilla beans. And I got these vanilla beans from Vanilla Beans Kings. And it's a little family-owned shop online. I love to support small businesses, especially them here in the United States. And their beans that they get them from Madagascar. So these are Madagascar beans, Gourmet A beans. Okay? So I'll put a link down below where you can grab these if you want to support this company. I'm going to put on some gloves here. And then you want some kind of a jar. I am using a mason jar. This is an 800 milliliter jar, which is about 3 US cups or 24 ounces. Now, the recipe goes like this. For every 1 cup or 8 ounces of vodka, and that is about 240 grams or milliliters of vodka, we are going to need about 10 to 12 full vanilla beans, okay? And since I'm going to go pretty much 3 cups worth, this is 750 milliliters, so I should be able to get right 3 full cups worth. So I'm going to need about 30 of these beans. And I'm going to take them out and show you what they look like. Really nice. 1, 2. Okay, so that's about 32 of them. And now what we want to do is we want to take these beans and we're going to cut them in half. And also we want to go down the middle to open them up. We want to get more surface area with it. Okay? And you also want to kind of split it in half like that. So that's what we want to do. Open it up, split it in half, cut it in half in little chunks, and put them in your jar. So that's all we're going to be doing right here. Watch your fingers, of course. All right, and now we'll take our vodka here. Nothing special, Union Market brand. And I'm going to just take this and we are going to add it all to this. I'm going to use the whole, should be able to use all of this or most of this. Perfect. And now I will add the lid. Now this part is very important. What you're going to do is you want to label the lid or put it on your jar somewhere today's date or the date that you make it, because it's going to take probably 6 to 7 months for this to be ready. You can't rush it. It does take quite a while. And then what we're going to give it a good shake. Okay? And then every, I don't know, once or twice a week, you're going to just give it a shake. And you'll leave it on your counter just at room temperature. You can put it in the pantry. And just remember to give it a shake once or twice a week. And then in 6 months, it will be ready. All right, it has been 6 months. And now I have my homemade vanilla extract. It's been sitting in my pantry. And now it's ready to go. Let's open this up. It's nice, dark color. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And you can use it now in any recipe that calls for vanilla extract. And you can just keep it, store it in this container in a pantry. Don't store it in a light place. Make sure it's dark where you store it. Do you have to strain it? No. In fact, it's recommended just to leave the pods in there or the beans. But you can strain it if you want it to be really, really like clear without like the little vanilla specks, kind of like what you'd buy at the store. But if you don't mind having those like little vanilla specks in there, kind of like vanilla bean ice cream, then just definitely keep those pods in here. If you do want to strain it, make sure to save those pods. You can squeeze out the stuff on the inside and use that for really nice flavor in some baked goods. Or you can dry those pods and then chop it up and grind it up and mix it with sugar and make like a vanilla sugar. So there you go. That is how you make vanilla extract. Super easy. You just need a really hard proof or high proof alcohol like vodka and then a bunch of fresh vanilla pods. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. Thumbs up, down in the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.